All right, good morning, friends. So I'm just going to explain what you have to do on this assignment, one question by another. For number one, it says answer the following question and think about a strategy that might help you answer. So for the first one, it says which set of factors, so the two multiplication table, the three, the four, the five, or so on, are the most challenging to you, and how do you usually try to answer those challenging questions? So this question will vary because it depends on how you answer the question. So which one is hard for you and what do you do to help yourself get it? Do you use for example, do you use like different strategy like doubling the number or doubling the double, or what kind of strategy do you use to help you answer the questions? So that's for number one. Number two, specify which fact, for example, are challenging to your answer. What strategy do you use to answer them? So like when you're multiplying like 8 by 8 or 7 by 8, or which ones do you think you have to struggle with? Maybe it could be like when you're multiplying a number by 9 or by 5 or whatever it is. And what do you do? What strategy do you use to help you? So again, you can think about different strategies, like do you have it memorized, or do you double the number, or do you like double and then you subtract, or like you multiply by 10 and you subtract? What strategy do you use? So that's number two. Number three, which facts do you mix up? So 7 by 8 is equal to this, and then this is equal to this. So which ones do you get, mixed up together with the answers? Which one do you get complicated with? Again, it depends on your struggles. So just to try your best to answer these questions because they're more of your struggles than they're, straightforward questions. And then use the table below to fill in your bingo table. So you have all of your multiplication table in here, and usually write different multiplication. Each square must express. Um, so just play the bingo. I would just choose random ones and then put them here. And then if you have unique expression cannot be used. So I would just put different random ones in here, or you can even skip this because I think you'd have to be with me to play this game. So you can skip this. And then for the following one, oh, that's it. Okay, then. So this is going to be it. You're just going to answer these questions, and then the remaining of the work you will see posted in your Google Classroom, which I will post pretty shortly. So go ahead and get started on this, friends.